Hey guys, this is Eric Punch, and this is video quiz 5, the last one. For number 1, what was the key ideas or ideas that stood out to you in this chapter? For chapter 8, I said learning to speak in small groups is a very important skill to have, especially in a job environment. The book mentions that a lot, but especially in job environments and working in small groups, that happens a lot, especially in college. So that's why. For chapter 12, I said doing service learning is a great thing to have on your resume. Chapter 12 was a little short, but the best thing I could get out of that was that it is good to have on your resume. For number 2, what did you learn in this chapter that you did not know before reading it? For chapter 8, I said the 4 C's of the small group presentations. Communication, clarity, cooperation, and compromise. These are pretty important because you want to, especially like I said before in the college groups, you want to make sure you have all 4 of these C's so you don't end up losing a fellow student along the lines or they disappear. The book mentions that as well. For chapter 12, I said there are 3 options in the Department of Communication for public speaking. Like I said before, chapter 12 is a little short. I didn't know there was 3 options in the Department of Communication for public speaking, but the more you know, it's fun times. For question 3, why are these important? These ideas important to public speaking? For chapter 8, I said you will have to get over fear of speaking in small groups. Many jobs require you to be able to work in small groups, and you'll need that skill, and it's important to have. For chapter 12, I said doing service learning can get you more practice than others on public speaking and put you ahead, and it does give you a pretty big advantage over everyone else who doesn't do that kind of deal. For question 4, how can they be used in areas of your personal and or professional life? For chapter 8, like I said before, it'll be used in your professional life. Depending on your job, it could be on a day-to-day basis. You could have a checkup every day or every other day to see what's going on and how things are going, to see if anyone needs some help or with anything that's going on. For chapter 12, I said doing service learning in public speaking looks good on a resume. That plays into the professional life. The more you have on your resume, I don't want to say that. Let's take that back. Let's not say the more you have, the more quality things you have on your resume makes it look a lot better for employers, and it is more likely for you to get a job. And that plays in your professional life because it's a job, trying to get your professional life started. Thanks for listening. See ya.